also because your kids had school uniforms on. I was just like, oh no, you didn't drag them out of school onto a plane to come down to Tahu.
That's the commitment.
Oh, that's pretty choice though. They get a free ride on a plane. Hey, you were playing at the Wonder Bar tomorrow night. Tell us a little bit about the journey leading up to that. Is it a big tour for you guys, or this is a once-a?
We're touring a bit more comprehensively in February. So yeah, we'll be back in Feb. And Te Whānau Tahi hit me up this week and were like, oh, come in. And it was a little bit too short notice for today, but Whānau will be back in Feb. So yeah, we'll do right in Feb. We'll be there. And we're going to start the tour out in Whangarei, Lee, Auckland, and then try and get sort of make our way down to Wellington and then eventually South Island. So yeah, look out for us in Feb. But
will do.
Yeah, at the moment, this show tomorrow is just kind of honing what we've started, and it's quite a new project and a new journey. So yeah, it's dope to get some songs together and get our set together. And yeah, tomorrow's like guinea pigs. You're all be guinea pigs tomorrow.
It's kind of fitting that it's up in Littleton though, because that's kind of where we first sung together. Right. It was nearly a year ago that we were up there doing my album up on the hill in Littleton. So it's good to be back over there.
At the same place, the Wonder Bar?
No, it's actually the sitting room with Ben Edwards, the same dude who recorded Marlon Williams and Tammy Nelson.
Wow.
It's
cool.
The meanest recording studio.
Are you talking about Guitar Party, Uncle Scratch?
Yes.
Awesome. That's coming up really soon too.
Next Friday, actually.
Oh my god, excited. I love the photo, by the way.
Oh, kia ora. That's my son, the one at the top with no clothes on.
And who's the uncle?
Well, I actually sent out a memo on Facebook looking for an uncle, preferably with no teeth. Someone that was a genuine uncle who used to turn up at parties after all the speeches and then leave in the morning before anyone got to see him again. And then I ended up getting about 300 people, and he was the one that stood up for me. Just look at his dreads. Shit. Hearty.
Okay, mate. Well, we'll get straight into it with the waiata. What's the waiata tuatai?
This first song is called A Queer I Be. It's not actually on the album. It's on the album to come after this one, and it's about sexy time in space.
Oh, come on.
If you'll miss us.
Well, take it away.
Okay. Space unknown, through the aqua dimension, Hyperion's no ordinary moon. Diamond lakes collide onto the cliffs from the hills, spaceships to the gills and Aurora hues. Earth shine true. Aquarium is where the city sits beneath the dew. I see. Has all consumed. the corner beam, resurrect the gleams upon the starstruck view. Soul views, fantasy, where the stars are binary. We start on you. Moving in the galaxy, I'll be here, lost with you, honey, an angular trajectory. You see, floating on a laser haze. I'm free, right with you, honey. Supernova plasma wave. We breathe. Into the sun. Where I be is where I wanna be till the end. Till the end. Till the end. To the space unknown.